This is verse 3 of the second chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. The narrative has just given rise to trouble on the part of Herod because he's heard from these wise men who've dramatically appeared in Jerusalem that they are seeking the King of the Jews, whose star has appeared in the east. And so Matthew reports to us the impact it had on Herod. So we have akousos. This is from akouo, I hear, aorist active participle, masculine singular nominative. Of course, the participle going along with the subject of the verb, or the subject of the sentence, which is in the nominative. So the nominative participle, hearing this or having heard, would be the sense, and the aorist, having heard, then postpositive de. So the idea is that there's a little bit of a startled response here, but having heard, and then ho, the masculine singular nominative article with basileus, the word for king, the king, and then opposition or apposition to it is herodes, the King Herod. So having heard, King Herod, and then a tarakhthe. This is from tarasso. Means to trouble something, to stir it, as in stirring water, but usually implies some kind of distress. It's the same word Jesus used over in John 14 when he said, "Let not your heart be troubled." Same word, to stir something up or to trouble. In this case, it's in the passive, so third person singular, aorist, passive, indicative. So having heard this, the King Herod was troubled, or was made troubled. It's passive, so it's as if something was done to him. Kai, the connective, pasa, so he was troubled, and this is the adjective. It means all, pasa. It's feminine. It's singular and nominative, going along with the singular word that it modifies here, which is Yerusoluma, Jerusalem. So all Jerusalem was startled with him. Probably Jerusalem was worried because it was well known that Herod was a volatile, somewhat unstable character, and that his reaction to this could be violent, certainly unpredictable, and it may be the disturbance in the city was more concerned about Herod's reaction than about the actual statement by the Magi. But one way or another, Herod is troubled, Jerusalem's troubled, and then met from meta, preposition takes the genitive here, with auto, with him. So Herod is disturbed by this. All Jerusalem is disturbed with him at this remarkable sight of these magi who have arrived from the east, wanting to find the location of the newborn Messiah.